Hi guys, I know it's been a long time since I've recorded a video. I've been working graveyard. I work between 40 to 50 hour weeks, and this has been going on since October. So it's really hard for me to take the time to make any diaper cakes or anything that I used to do before, but I'm going to make time because I need it. I like it. It's a stress reliever for me, and of course to show everyone what I do and give people ideas. And I'm so happy that you guys like watching my videos, and I can't wait to do some more. I've recorded some, but I just haven't edited them. I will be editing them and then posting them soon. For today, I just wanted to give you an update and then just do something a little quick. I know that most kids are not going to, or I don't think any school in the US is going to be open, but my children love to take their backpacks everywhere with them. And so I just had an idea today that maybe, might be useful for everyone. But I found these at Dollar Tree, and I thought that instead of putting pencils in there, we can do little kits for the kids. And I'll show you what I'm talking about as I put it together. So since it's a clear pouch, you can obviously see what's in there, and you can find these. They're tissue paper. I found these at the Dollar Tree as well, and for my daughter, My Little Pony, Paw Patrol for my son. They have different characters, different Disney characters, princesses, what have you. So what I am going to do, and again, I think it's a good idea for kids to have with them, no matter whether there's a pandemic or not. And by the way, I hope everyone's okay. I know this thing is crazy. Anyway, I just think it's a really good idea. It's something that's good to have. And my son has allergies, so he always needs tissue. So I figured I can get him a pack of these and he can have it in his backpack. So we're gonna put that in there. And then hand sanitizer. So I've been trying to find a hand sanitizer that kids could use. I know there's a lot of fun ones with cute little holders and stuff, but I found these at Joann. The reason why I like it is because of the aloe, and hand sanitizers tend to dry out your skin if you use it a lot and all that stuff. Anyway, so I bought these. Again, I found it at Joann's. It was $3.99. I know they're not cheap, but I'll just throw it in there. And you can do these, but with this, for some reason I feel like the cap is more secure on that. Go over there, baby. Go over there. One sec. Give me a kiss. Good night. Thank you. Good night, baby. I love you. Yeah, you're Spider-Man. Okay. Good night, baby. Okay, so you could use these. But again, I feel like the cap is not that secure, so and then again, the other one, this one has the aloe, and it's meant to moisturize, so that's why I wanted to have this for the kids instead. So we can put that in there, and I'm gonna use a little bit of this. So most children are not going to keep their masks on their face, and they're gonna be touching it and all that stuff, or more than likely they're gonna lose it. So since we're gonna be sending our kids to school with masks, I think at least for a while, I figure, I can have a little backup for him. And I bought a box of masks for children. So see, these are small. And I figure I could have put an extra one in his backpack just in case he loses the one that he has, or whatever reason, you just never know. It's always good to have a little backup plan. So I thought I could put it in a Ziploc bag and then put that in here. And see, it's something simple, but I think it's useful. Yeah, I just thought it'd be a good idea. I know, again, my kids like to take their backpacks everywhere with them, so sometimes we forget to to get the mask. So I think this is something good to have in their backpacks, or even in their diaper bags or anything like that. If you have, you know, smaller kids, obviously you're not going to put a mask on a 2-year-old or anything under that, but I use my daughter's diaper bag for everything. So I put my son's, which is a 5-year-old, I put his stuff in there too, and I sometimes use it as a purse. So I think it's a good idea. Anyways, I hope you like this idea, and I will post more videos, and I hope you guys like this video. Thank you.